We are going to solve another problem from thermodynamics. A Carnot engine operates between hot reservoir at 350 kelvins and cold reservoir at 275 kelvins. This is hot reservoir 350 kelvins. So this is our T1 and this is our T2. It absorbs 500 joules of heat at hot reservoir. Hot reservoir means here source and cold reservoir means sink. So hot reservoir temperature is T1 and cold reservoir temperature sink temperature is T2 and it absorbs 500 joules of heat at hot reservoir. It absorbs so at hot reservoir. So temperature is T1 at hot reservoir source and it's absorbing 500 joules of heat energy at hot reservoir. So it is considered as Q1 is equals to 500 joule. Here we have our T1. T1 is equals to 350 kelvins and T2 is equals to 275 kelvins. This is the given data and asked question to find out work delivered. We know that work delivered or work done is equals to by the Carnot engine is equals to Q1 minus Q2. So here we have Q1, we don't have Q2. Now to find Q2. Now we know that formula efficiency is equals to 1 minus T2 by T1, which is equals to 1 minus Q2 by Q1. From this we can say that T2 by T1 is equals to Q2 by Q1. So T2 by T1 is equals to Q2 by Q1. We have three values T1, T2, Q1. We can easily find Q2 by substituting remaining three values. So Q2 we are subjecting Q2 is equals to Q1 into T2 by T1. We sent Q1 that side, it's multiplying with T2 by T1. Q2 is equals to substituting Q1 500 joules into our T2 is 275 kelvins by 350 kelvins. Kelvins get cancelled. We are cancelling 1 0 1 0. Here cancelling 5 sevens are 5 tens are and 7 ones are. Here 7 threes are 21. Here it is 27. Remaining 6 is balance 6 5 65. 7 nines are 63. When we remove 63 from 65 there is balance 2. When we keep point here it becomes 20. We add 0 20. 7 2 are 14. Again 6 is the balance. So point is there, we kept 0, it becomes 60. 7 8 are 54. Again 6 is balance. When we remove 54 from 60, again 6 is balance. Here point is there, we keep 0. Again it comes 8 8 8 8. It moves like this. So we write 10 into 3 9.3 2888 as 3. When we multiply with 10 it becomes 393. Point is removed. So Q2, this is Q2. We know we have to estimate work delivered by the engine. W is equals to, here it is our Q1, this is joules. Q1 500 joules minus 393 joules. So work done W is equals to, we get 107 joules. This is the estimated work delivered by the engine. Here engine is working between 350 kelvins T1 and T2 275 kelvins. It has taken Q1 amount 500 joules of energy and Q2 we don't know. We can use this data, we can use by using this formula we have found Q2, but actual work done is equals to formula is Q1 minus Q2. Absorbed 500 joules at temperature T1 and ejected 393 joules, and remaining, when we subtract 500 minus 393, 107 is converted into work done. This is also one of the important problem for 5 marks. Next we will continue another problem.